Good morning. Oh my God, I look terrible. That's okay. So today, sorry, I gotta throw this for these guys. Go get it. She's not a doer. She'll let her sister get everything. Okay, we got our new greenhouse. So I'm gonna assemble this bad boy. The sun is finally out. So this guy, which is, you know, a couple feet deep, is gonna now be like 6 feet deep. So I'll be able to walk in there and do all kinds of neat stuff. So I'm super excited. So that's what I am going to do, is take this down and put the other one up. Okay, so I'm just putting the tarp down before I start. I made some faux pas last time and water was seeping in all over the place. I will not do that again. I'm gonna lay out all my pieces so that I can find what I'm supposed to do, because just staring at all this stuff makes it a bit daunting. Okay. If you are a long hauler like myself, or have any other kind of disease that makes you a little slower than you used to, because you're a little less stamina than you used to have, there's nothing, you can still do things that you love. You just got to be able to rest. Like, I took that one piece out of here, I was exhausted, had to go up front and drink a Pepsi and sit down. Did that for like 10-15 minutes, and then came out here and was able to lay this out. But now I am pretty winded again, so I'm gonna sit here for a couple of minutes and just sort everything. It'll give me a bit of energy back, and then we'll proceed. The project I've been wanting to get done for several days, but I have just not felt well enough. So you do what you can do when you can do it, and that's the best you can do. Alright, that's different. Okay, what's this? Ooh. I've also found that being a long hauler is the brain fog when it comes upon you. One minute you know what you're doing, and the next minute you're just like, what's happening? So, be patient with yourself. It's fine. We're lucky when our brains work well. And when they don't, well, what are you going to do? You just gotta get through it, get over it. This is an A. I don't think we have A's yet. And I'm waiting for my new glasses. I can't wait till they come, because I'm seriously feeling blind over here. This age and stuff is for the birds, that's for sure. To open up the rest of this and see if we're truly missing some pieces. Sad. I don't want to be missing pieces. Sad that we're missing pieces. Okay. Not in here. For sure. Oh, there. Oh, praise God. Okay. They are here. They're sitting under the tarp. I was quite honestly going to be so upset. Okay. Great. Okay, now we've got all of our pieces. Now we can move on. Assembly instructions. Put the first tier together. Alright. Okay, And it said to do bees again. Again, a little winded. So I'm just gonna sit back down. We're just totally fine. Still be productive. Okay. Twos. This is gonna be much bigger than my other one. I'm super excited. Just won't take a little doing, that's all. Oh my gosh. I'm not mixing up my stuff because, well, you saw me take all that time to try to get it organized. Just want to get that in place now because I want to do it later. Alright. Let's do the same thing we did over there. And see, I sit down again. Not having a very good stamina today. But this is gonna be very cool when I'm done. And then I'll be able to sit in there and do stuff. So, no, Bella. My dog desperately wants to get to me. She is very much a therapy dog in her own right. Dysfunctional some. No, I'm good. It's fine. Okay. There's one side. I'm gonna do the other side exactly the same way. And then we're gonna add another tear. Okay. Do that. Oh my god, okay. Another little sit break. Keep going while I'm sitting. The problem is that when you don't have enough stamina, you're shaky and can't breathe right and silly. So I'm a stubborn person and still want to do what I want to do. So I am just going to find a harmony between my body and what I want to do. Now, if we're going to do it sitting down, we'll do it sitting down. So I'm sure that you guys will get this done much faster than I would, but I thought it couldn't hurt showing you what it looks like to put it together, regardless if I'm not effective or not. Or if I am effective or not. Regardless of my effect on the project. Okay. Time for another sit down. Fours and twos. And then we get to the roof. And for those of you wondering why I do not just ask for my wife's help, I would, but then I wouldn't get to videotape it because she'd rather die than be on video. So I'm gonna do it the hard way so that we can have this all on tape and still respect her wishes, because I get it. I probably wouldn't want to be on tape either if I hadn't already reached the point in my life where I just don't care about other judgment. It's actually a blissful place to be. Okay, so force, B's on the outside, A on the inside. Okay. Literally, it's like one sentence for each step and then a lot of pictures and the diagram pieces, so. I'm gonna go get my wife to help me put this cover on and finish up, and then I'll show you the finished product. Oh my god, okay, it's done. A lot of my wife's help I needed, I'm just letting you know, to tape it down properly. Let's show you how it goes. Okay, as you can see, this time I have duct tape the tarp to the inside of the flap so that it's all sealed from the inside all the way, and water should just come down off that and go like normal. Last time what happened is I ended up with, well, it's a flood really, you can see, because water was on that thing. It's totally fine, still working, it's waterproof, that's why I bought it. But so this is the new greenhouse with the plants I had in the old one, so it's much larger, right? Can you see it? You can walk all the way in now. I can come in and look. Now I've got my tomato. This is that little guy I was telling you about that just sprouted from nothing. I know he's lanky. I know he's probably not a proper tomato tree, and I can do better. But he grew from nothing and became something. And he's huge and taking over. And there's my other tomato plant. My strawberries are doing great. Look at all these starting stuff. Flowers and such. And my char. Super excited. I'm gonna get something to repot this bonsai tree because I found a really cool new thing for him. And then I'll admit it, this is terrible. Nobody wants to eat peas that look like this. I'm gonna start over. I'll replant something in that. So we'll do that in a couple days. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna be done. I put my 2 warmers back in, just one on each side for now. And I put my artificial light for now, since it's not quite sunny enough yet. But look at how much more space they have, and it's gonna be much better. I'm excited. Okay, I'll tape again in a couple days when I actually go and redo all the planting and the potting and stuff. We're gonna add some stuff now. We have room. Bye.